Today we will start our third chapter, that is one and more than one. So naming words can talk about one person, thing or animal like girl, hen, box, shoe, chocolate, notebook, etc. But when we are talking about more than one place, animal or thing, we add s or es to the naming words. For example, brother, if we are talking about one brother, we will say just brother. But when we are talking about more than one brother, we will say brothers. We will just put s to brother. Ducks, bats, trees, coats, pockets, buns, skirts. And there are some naming words in which we add es to make it more than one, like buses. Actually, the words that ends with s, sh, ss, x or ch, most of these letters when sounded separately make a hissing sound. We add es to words that end in such sounds. For example, bus, bus, bus. So we'll put es into it, buses. Fox, es, foxes. One fox is fox, and more than one fox are foxes. One match is match, and more than one match is matches. One witch is witch, and more than one witch is witches. One box is a box, and more than one box are boxes. One kiss is a kiss, more than one kisses are kisses. And there are some naming words that end with y. So we drop y and put ies to make it more than one. For example, story, story, story. So here y is the ending letter, so we will remove y to make it stories. So story is a single story, and stories means more than one story. City will be cities, cities, cities. Lily will be lilies, lil. We will remove y and put ies, lilies. Army will be armies. We will remove y and put is. Fly will be flies, flies, flies. Fairy will be fairies. And there are few naming words that end with f or fe. So to make it more than one, we will drop f or fe and will put ves in place of f or fe. For example, one knife will be knife, and more than one knife will be knives. So we have removed fe from here and we have put it ves. Loaf will be loaves. Calf will be calves. Shelf will be shelves. Hoof will be hooves. Leaf will be leaves. Wife will be wives. Wolf will be wolves. And for some naming words, we change the spelling of the vowel sound inside the word. For example, goose will be geese. Man will be men. Child will be children. Tooth will be teeth. Foot will be